will be presenting a video on lockdown learnings. Everyone has been in lockdown since mid-March. It has been a long time. Even though a few days back, the phase of Unlock 1 has started. Schools have not reopened and the students still at home.
Yes, Atit. Most of us are bored. We miss our regular routines and some may be frustrated staying indoors all the time. It is completely normal to feel this way as it is in our nature to go out and socialize with other people.
But there is a positive side of this lockdown as well that we are not really realizing. Because one of the positive sides of this lockdown is time. A lot of time at disposal. A lot of time in our hands. And that's what me and my friends are going to share with you all. The way we have been spending our time during this lockdown. This is Vidhi from 10th A and let me just show you how I have been using my time very effectively. So this is what I did. I created an e-commerce store wherein I used my creativity to design various t-shirts. So my e-commerce store says, "We love Topwear, welcome to my store, grab everything you like with beautiful designs and have fun." So these are a few t-shirts which are designed by me. Let me just show you how this website works. So this is one of my favorite designs which says that "Be your spirit animal, fly above rain clouds." So this is what it looks like in different colors. I made it out in 3 colors. Similarly, you can do so. You can make out your favorite designs the way you like it. If you want your name, you can put it out whatever you want to do. It almost depends out on your creativity. So that's how I invested my time doing this. So you can do so. So invest out your time learning this amazing functioning website which is T-Shopper and design out your favorite t-shirts. Thank you.
I always wanted to learn coding, but I never used to get the time to do so because of my regular routine. But with the sudden lockdown, I had a huge time at my disposal and I didn't know what to do. So I started searching for companies which give free online courses for coding. One of the companies which gives free online courses for coding is Whitehead Junior. So I joined those free online courses and learned the basics of Java programming. After the free online courses, I also watched some videos on YouTube to further enhance my skills.
Guten Tag. Isha is Bhumika Yadav. Ich komme aus Pune, Maharashtra, India. Ich bin 15 Jahre alt. Danke schön. Did you understand anything? Most probably not. So let me clarify. I just said my name is Bhumika Yadav. I live in Pune, Maharashtra, India and I am 15 years old. Thank you. This is what I said. And this is how I have been utilizing my time during this lockdown. I have started learning a new foreign language, that is German. I eagerly wanted to learn German since long and this lockdown gave me an opportunity to learn. Similarly, you can also use your time during this lockdown very fruitfully. Thank you.
Hello everybody, I am Leena Binay from Standard 10th. During lockdown, all of a sudden there was a change in our regular routine of studies, tuitions, homework, assignment, etc. Within a few days, I started getting bored. But then, I started working on the things that I like the most, and that is dancing. During regular days, I did not get much time due to the busy schedules. But during lockdown, being home, I gave more time to pursue my hobby of dancing and practicing and improve my dancing skill. Come, let's have a look at it.
Hello everyone, I am Anurag Mehta from Standard 10th A and my passion is playing piano. In this lockdown I got sufficient time to practice and enhance my skills. Today I am presenting a piano cover of Gina Gina song.
I am Nishant More from Standard 10th. As most of you know that my hobby is singing. During this lockdown period, I utilized my time in learning different music. I watched many YouTube videos and heard some audios too to polish my singing skills and worked on it. Friends, apart from singing, I also done some artwork. So let's have a look on it. Friends, these are the creations which I have done during this lockdown period. This is a craft which I have made with the old bangles which were present in my house. This is a flower type of craft which I have made with the colorful papers. Friends, this is a beautiful lotus which will increase the beauty of my house. Friends, so during this lockdown period, you can also utilize your time by doing these activities and you will not feel bored by sitting inside your house during this lockdown period.
So friends, this is how we have been investing our lockdown period fruitfully in upgrading ourselves, upgrading our skills and upgrading our hobbies.
We are not just pursuing our hobbies, we are equally concentrating on our studies.
Yes, 10th standard being an important year for us all, we are regularly studying for it as well.
Sudden lockdown, we all were anxious about our studies and how would we be able to manage our studies without the guidance of our teachers. But we are very thankful to our principal ma'am because of whose early vision and determination our anxiety was eased. We all were connected with the help of virtual teaching. All the teachers and the school was connected with us.
Yes, that is through Google Classroom teaching, which started immediately in the month of April itself, and the WebEx live classes which started from 1st June.
But our able teachers have accepted the challenging situation and have put in great efforts to transform themselves digitally overnight so that students' learning is not hampered.
We are very thankful to our teachers and also appreciate the efforts taken up by the school management, and we extend our gratitude to all of them.
Thank you, Principal Ma'am, Supervisor Ma'am, and all the teachers. We miss our school life, friends, and teachers. We hope and pray that the corona pandemic ends soon and we can resume our school life. Until then, stay home.